the summer of love.
Students, in the last video we talked about formulas which is made or which is entered by the user, and today we will talk about functions. Now functions is a built-in formula which are used to do some specific work. Like we can create formula according to our need, but functions are already made through this system, through Excel, जो हमें किसी स्पेसिफिक काम को करने में मदद करता है. तो हाउ वी कैन एंटर फार्मूला, हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फार्मूला, सो लेट्स गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस इन दिस वीडियो. ओके, सो फॉर दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एंटर्ड सम वैल्यूज ओवर हियर. ओके, लेट मी इंक्रीज इट्स साइज. इसके साइज को हम यहाँ से इंक्रीज कर लेंगे. तो हमने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करके रखा है. आई होप यू ऑल कैन सी. एडजस्ट करने के लिए वी हैव टू जस्ट डबल क्लिक इट एंड रो वाइज, कॉलम वाइज ये सब एडजस्ट यहाँ पे ऐसे हो जाता है. आई होप यू ऑल नो अबाउट इट. नाउ हमें क्या करना है, हमें यहाँ पे ये जो डेटा रखा हुआ है इस डेटा के ऊपर हमें फंक्शंस को अप्लाई करना है. फंक्शंस को अप्लाई करके हम क्या करेंगे, हम टोटल को कैलकुलेट करेंगे, हम एवरेज कैलकुलेट करेंगे, हम सब्जेक्ट वाइज मैक्सिमम मिनिमम वैल्यूज़ को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, तो फंक्शंस कहाँ से हमें मिल सकते हैं? फंक्शंस हमें फार्मूलाज यहाँ से मिल सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हो फंक्शन लाइब्रेरी का कैटेगरी है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वी हैव different types of functions. Okay, not everybody knows about all this type of functions. Even I know very little, very little. Whatever I know I will be teaching you in this video or upcoming videos also. Okay, so there are types of video like financial. In financial category also there are many functions, as you can see in financial category there are many functions. Okay, in logical category there are many functions. In text category, date and time category, look and reference, maths and trigonometry, more functions we have. Statistical, here also engineering, queue, information. So there are many Excel functions we have. Okay, all are for different specific purpose. What we are gonna learn today, we will learn about these 5 functions. Okay, sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum. As our formula starts with equal to sign, functions also do the same, because I'm telling you again and again, functions are built-in formulas. Okay, are used for specific purpose. Now if you want to apply here, like I want to calculate Arman's total subject marks over here, so I will click here, then I will go to AutoSum and I will click on sum. See, automatically these values has been selected. I haven't done anything, I just clicked on it. I will press enter and automatically the sum is calculated. So I didn't have to enter any formula, I didn't have to write anything. Automatically यहाँ पे इसने sum को calculate कर लिया है. Let's do it again, let's see it again. So if you want to calculate total of Arman's Hindi, maths and science subject over here, so यहाँ पे हमें click करना है, then we will go to AutoSum and then I will click on sum and see automatically the range has been selected by the Excel application. और हमें देखो enter करना है और ये automatically calculate हो गया. So we have to do it accordingly for these all 5 students. But here is the best part. Let me go to home tab, because in home tab also here I can find the same options which was there. See, in formulas also here AutoSum, same options in the home tab also we can find the same options. Yes, what I was talking about, that in MS Excel we have many flexibilities. What type of flexibility? Now I have calculated total for this particular student. So again I have to calculate for Kashish, Nitin, Meena, Dolly. No, we don't have to do it. As you know the autofill thing, no? Remember the autofill here? Autofill is, I will write here 1, then 2. The difference is 1. The difference between 2 and 1 is 1. So I will select these two. I will go to the edge and the arrow will become, see, arrow is becoming black color plus sign. I will press and hold it. I will drag it and automatically it will be filled. This is autofill. Okay, in the same way here I will do the same thing. I will autofill. I will go to the edge. See this, everybody please look into this cursor. I am moving, I am putting it to the edge and it is becoming, yeah, like this. Plus press and hold it down and see automatically all the sum has been calculated. Isn't it fascinating? Yes, it is, because in Excel we have many flexibilities. हमें सिर्फ एक के लिए कैलकुलेट करना है. हम सारे यहाँ पे 5 रिकॉर्ड्स हैं, आप 50 हो 5000 हो, सब के लिए आप एक ही बार में कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. In the same way, let's calculate average. I will click over here. I will go to this AutoSum option. I will click on average. Now see, while I'm selecting average, एक चीज notice करो, average I want for these three numbers, but here it is selecting automatically the total also. So if I select total, the average calculation will be wrong. मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, अगर हमें एवरेज कैलकुलेट करना होता है, क्या करना होता है, जो टोटल नंबर्स है उनको प्लस करो डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स. तो टोटल तो यहाँ पे हो गया, टोटल डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करके मुझे एवरेज यहाँ पे मिल सकता है. लेकिन अगर ऑटोमेटिकली कर रहा हूँ तो यहाँ पे वो टोटल को भी ले रहा है साथ में, तो हमें टोटल नहीं चाहिए. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल रीसिलेक्ट, आई विल प्रेस हियर एंड आई विल रीसिलेक्ट लाइक दिस 3 ओनली. मुझे इन तीनों के ऊपर एवरेज चाहिए. आई विल प्रेस एंटर एंड एवरेज इज बीइंग कैलकुलेटेड. अगर मैं ऑटोमेटिकली करता, दिस इज द करेक्ट एवरेज, अगर मैं ऑटोमेटिकली करता तो क्या आता, देखो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. I'll select average. See, the total is also selected. If I press enter, the average is more than 100. Is it possible? No, it cannot be possible because all these marks is out of 100. Out of 100 होने से average भी out of 100 के अंदर ही आएगा, over 100 का भी नहीं हो सकता. So this is wrong. Why it was wrong, I told you. So again, sorry, go to this drop down, click on average and see this one is selected. Don't worry, just again you make the selection like this and press enter. And the average is selected, average is calculated. You press this button and you drag it and all the average is being calculated. So this is how you can apply functions. Okay, now there are many functions. I would like to calculate the maximum and the minimum values in Hindi subject. Okay, what will I do? Let's calculate here I will write max, here I will write minimum. Okay, so I will calculate maximum values of Hindi and minimum values of Hindi. So here again I want to calculate over here. I will click here, I will go to here and I will click on maximum. So see the automatically the selection has been done with a empty cell also. You want to select it, if you don't want to select it, just make your own selection like that. मैं माउस से पकड़ के खींच रहा हूँ, ऑटोमेटिकली सेलेक्ट हो रहा है. और यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर ऑल्सो. सी इट इज E5 to E9. So E5 to E9, you can make your changes over here also. Okay, so press enter, maximum is selected. तो एक का मैक्सिमम सेलेक्ट हो चुका है. सो आई कैन जस्ट प्रेस एंड होल्ड. हम लोग ड्रैगिंग सिर्फ नीचे ही नहीं कर सकते, हम ड्रैगिंग साइड वाइज कर सकते हैं, ऊपर कर सकते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड कहीं पे भी कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई विल ड्रैग इट टू द I will drag it to the right. हर एक कॉलम में जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है वो यहाँ पे आ चुका है. यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 277, so it has come. Now for minimum, again I will go to minimum and I will click on minimum. But now see what is happening. It is selecting only one cell. No, I want to find the minimum values out of these cells. No, so again I will make my own selection. So I will press and like that. I will press enter and I got the minimum value, and again I will do the same thing. I will drag it to the edge and see we have selected maximum and minimum values through this AutoSum function features. These are functions. Now count numbers will count total number of records present. Now how many records are present over here? How many cells I'm using? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here if I apply count, so it will give you answer 7. Count numbers and press enter. Count number, it is counting number. I am very sorry. So it is counting number, these 5 numbers only, because it's a letter. Okay, so again I'm telling you, see the range only. I only told you and I forgot about it. So count number, if I click it, see it is selecting this range. So if you select these, if you select these and press enter, so this is 6. Why it is 6? I have selected this also because this is not a number. The roll number is a number. These values are numbers, but Arman, Kashish, these are what? These are letters, characters. So it will not be counted as a number because this function name is count numbers. ये सिर्फ numbers को count करेगा. ठीक है? So if I select these also, यहाँ पे maximum को भी ये count नहीं करेगा. It will count only these. So this much in this video. I hope you have liked this video. Share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel for this for upcoming amazing videos on different applications. Till then, goodbye, take care.